Hi, boys and girls, it's Miss Sewell here, and today we are going to use shapes and lines to draw pictures of an animal. Now, I want you guys to remember from the first video a few shapes that we were using and a few lines. Let's take a look. So, up at the top, you're going to see some shapes that we can use. Now, I want you to look as I point and say what shapes they are. So, the first one is a circle. Then we have a triangle, a trapezoid, rectangle, square, oval, half circle, straight line, curved line, and a zigzag. Now, boys and girls, what I want you to do is take a look at these animals. Which ones do you see here? Can you name them for me? That's right. There's a cat, there's a fish, there's a dog, and a turtle. Now I want you to look very closely at these animal pictures. What shapes or lines do you see in each of the animals? Well, I know that Miss Sewell sees here in the fish a circle. She sees a side trapezoid, some straight lines. In this turtle, I see an oval with some rounded rectangles. Now what we're going to do is Miss Sewell is going to use these shapes and show you how to draw a shark. So watch closely, boys and girls. So the first thing I'm going to do is I see his body, and it kind of looks like a squished oval. So let's try to make a squished oval. Now, I see that on the tail, it kind of looks like two triangular shapes combined. So on this side, I'm going to try doing his tail. So I'm going to try going up to make a triangle, and then I want to go down to make a triangle, and then kind of have them connect in the middle. I also see on top, I have another triangle, and by the back, I see a small triangle, and then I see another triangle. Next thing I'm going to do is I see his two fins. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a straight line down and then a straight line to connect for the fin. And then there's a fin behind, so I'm going to do another triangle. Then I see his eyeballs are little circles. So I'm going to draw a circle and another circle. And then inside I see tiny circles. Now for his mouth, it kind of looks like a squiggly line. So that's what I'm going to do next. So squiggly line. And then it looks like he has some rounded lines for his gills. And Miss Sewell's going to do triangles for his teeth. And there you have it, boys and girls. That's Miss Sewell's shark. So I used the shapes that I know to be able to create it. Now what we're going to do next is Miss Sewell is going to have us draw a shape, an animal with shapes together. Now, Miss Sewell really loves fish, and I know a few kids in my class have fish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through how to draw fish. So what I want you to do is either grab a piece of paper and a pencil, or if you have a whiteboard and marker like me, to go grab those. Okay, hopefully you're ready. So let's first take a look at this fish over in the corner. What is the big shape that you see? That's right, its body is a big giant circle. So let's make a big giant circle for this fish. Now the next thing I see is right here, it is a curved line or a half a circle. So right about here, I'm going to curve it down. Then it looks like its two fins are trapezoids, it looks like this shape on its side. So let's draw 2 trapezoids. Ready? We're going to go up, down, up. And then we're going to go up, down, up. Now, next, I see it has an eyeball, so I'm going to do a circle. And then for its mouth, it has a big, giant, curved line. I'm going to do a big, giant, curved line. And it has a little tiny one right there. And then I see in each of its fins or trapezoids, there are straight lines coming out. So I'm going to draw a straight line. And then in its tail, it's broken up by different colors, but they also have straight lines. And there you have it. We have created a fish together. Now, if you want to, you can color in your fish. You can also draw little circles like it's got little bubbles coming out of it. You can show the water with the ocean. You could draw a whole school of fish with a bunch of them swimming around together. But now, what I want you to do is it's your turn to try drawing an animal all by yourself. On this page, you have a choice from a fish, a turtle, a dragonfly, a cat, a penguin, or a dog. You could also draw a different animal if you would like, but I would love for you to try to draw an animal on your own and send the picture to Miss Sewell. Remember, you want to be able to use the shapes that you know to be able to draw animals. And as long as you try your hardest, I bet your picture will be the best ever. Can't wait to see what kind of animals you come up with.